Hey you! Thanks for stopping by! Let's get to the unboxing. The first figure is the 1/7 Yukong Xiao Bunny Girl by SSR Figure. This is the first figure I have bought from this company. I got her and the other bunny girl from the AmiAmi website. She was 11,700 yen, though it has gone down to about 7,000 yen since. Yeah, if I had known that, I would have waited. Everything about her is great. I love her purple hair. Purple is my favorite color. No scuffs or smudges. Her leggings are real and they look great for the price. She looks like a framed figure. Her bunny suit is nice and shiny. The shading on her hair is nice. I just noticed she has this little braid in the back, which makes sense so she could match her other figure. Our next figure is the 1/7 Chu Yi Bunny Girl by the same company. She is the twin sister who also comes with her chair. I recommend getting them together, and I will show you why in a minute. I love her expression, her smile in contrast to Xiao's calm expression. She reminds me of that one character from Chainsaw Man. Chewie looks like she could be a cast-off or a native figure. She's about to pop out of her outfit. A nice change from other bunny girls. She has her chair and is in a seated position to better show off her legs. What I especially like about these chairs is that they can connect. It goes from a chair to a sofa. fancy and nicely detailed, by the way. And when seated, Chu-Yi's leg is over Xiao's. It's chef's kiss. No regrets about buying them. If I had one complaint, it would be about Xiao. Oh no, not Xiao. It's just that Xiao has a tie, but Chu-Yi doesn't. Like, they're supposed to match. Another thing is their noses look weird. Like, I don't know how to describe it, like something out of a Dr. Seuss book. You know how Dr. Seuss characters have their noses a little pointy? Yeah, like that. And the fluffy part of the chair is separate. It should be glued to the cushion. Yeah, but that's it. This gets my recommendation. Get them if you can. They're for like half the price I bought them for now, so do it. They're on sale right now at AmiAmi. My last complaint is Xiao's braid being so small when it should look like her twins. Here they are on display with the rest of my bunny figures. Yeah, they really stand out. I know that AmiAmi has other figures from this line that also have the same gray chair. They are also up for pre-order, and I might get those in the future to make my own little set and have them on their own little shelf in the future. I'm standing on my tippy toes so you can get a good look. This is on the top of my Detolf shelf. Oh, aren't they pretty? I just love adding to my collection. With each figure, they go well with another figure. And that is all for today. Let me know if you're also picking up these lovely ladies, and I will catch you in the next unboxing video. Thanks for stopping by.